Another thing. When the second missile starts, it started with punches.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, the sound of punches. And yet they come a funny face.
Funny face.
They were romancing each other. And yet no can be. Yeah, cause our punch never bow up out of from knockouts. And other videos are free the same ring na kwakumanu funny face could the monko romance of mono. There are other videos that yeah, book punch a month for any pie, a month for tough for mama or mokonchia. Yeah, they are telling you that bana yeah, mame romance. This is a kwakumanu funny face. We are coming to punch you to die.
Die.
So you should know. Now they are also making it personal because utie lines na zonda for you dia. Omuka say mo bodyguards ba kuna owo mo video ni no. Akwa no wa fondo do. Ase mo man na ni. Mo man ono ka say mo man no mo cowbell ni bi. Na ontimi nye nipa. Once again, they are linking this to the fact that Munko for my salary is not growing. Indirectly, they are also saying that if indeed Mokabel I am a man for the it's me per year, and Kakwan in trap more office or phone. Hey, Charlie. It's like people are not even getting the line.
They are not getting the line.
Yes. Because guys feel say mo cable na manfo no me nipa anka akwa no tip office so baby ye no ono on phone enye nipa he looks like something.
Hello, Abusiafo. My name is the Lady Rev, and I'm here to tell you about the citywide service in collaboration with Sammy Flex TV. We are doing the Canton Fair 2026. All you have to do is your 35,000 Ghana cedis. That includes your visa, your plane ticket, your 14 days accommodation, and then accreditation into the fair, as well as a tour to suppliers when you get to China. With 38,000 on there, not just say just in case it's a own person when you want to go to China on your own at your own time. 7,000 Ghana cedi per we get you the visa. And guess the good news. I mean, visa comes before payment. You only have to show interest. Now you visa now eba. Now what the 7,000 and so ashayensa. Citywide yenyama bebre. You can work with them. Our numbers are scrolling down the video. All you have to do is to call us. Now make you what do you say this year, dear China, oh China, 22nd to the 5th of November. China Canton Fair, oh China Canton Fair. Yeah, China juma near the Sika Befie. I mean, my name is the Lady Rev. I see you. Stay blessed.
The beef between Cowbell and Zondatec GH is still ongoing. Which me to Mr. Panos where the oya alukuto hey now bass and punch lines are our battle day. Brother, I say afuto is Jennifer. Sorry, brother me.
Yes, boss.
Go for afuto no man foul.
Dabi afuto no enya de ombefa. And say yes say ebebe mpo na person bu na merefi. Yes say afutos afutos sacred nipa. I just said sorry. Say see you know until say omo be koso abako ebe sleep no. Omo nya hu ba bi omo nenam. But the small level now omo kono. Definitely bako be sleep.
Yes.
Sanity yes afutu and sacred nipa. I just said sorry. Say see you know I'm up for so recently I mean it's just used to one Shatawale song. Emma Shatta Crumpo Ako commenti.
Yes, Emma
repost ya more
the king is here.
Aye. Also share energy god nakasa abamu. Ya also share energy god nakasa abamu dia. Ya mawa se koswa. I remember during our first conversation who said, okay, Adieno koso trendy, Dudona fire. When I was speaking to you, I gave a caution saying, Adiena omoyeno, who more than they can imagine. And Oman Sheni here, we are talking about brands here. Oman Sheni, some of these brands may be affected, and some of these brands may also wound themselves. Now, in that interview, normally, headless YouTuber here, say, oh, enya enru personal level, name they are even thinking about stopping it because who they say stop here, there are brands involved, and maybe some of the brands may be affected. Now we've gotten to that stage where we are getting personal because so I've told you about beef.
Yes.
Beef there. Beef is not to praise anybody. Beef is to punch the other person where he will feel it hard. That is why it is called beef. You find the agro like, and you be a candy agros you and oh yeah beef. Hey, chalo drink need the head chalo cast need the obo water speed pa longevity daddy. That is not beef. Beef ye time only pa oh yeah be papa mpono. Ose unwe. That is what you mean by beef. Time will nipa need be papa mpono. Ose unwe. That is when we say we are beefing. And yet time oh ye beef you nipa na dabi. Now I told you that when they continue, it will get personal. And yes. Now it has gotten there. Before over frame, Mr. Dakas, okay, let me listen to their songs once again. Now, me share how best I can point out some of the very negative words and very negative lines and negative connotations that they are using on the other side. And indeed, me share that for a pen, any paper. I went back to the classroom. Me for pen, any notepad. Me yes analysis. And of course, I got a lot of them. Nina, it makes the other person or it makes the other brand look less of itself. Okay. Number one. Zonda for adium the Bamuzon Feno. Second missile. Missile does not come to make anything well.
Yes.
Anytime there is a missile is coming to destroy. Iran, any American talk almost 30 years. Anytime missile is released, someone in DC.
Yes.
Total destruction.
Destroying.
And then Iran Corona. America for missile be I say you be brave. I say be now they have to rebuild the country once again. Because missile exchange, no missile comes to build. No missile comes to develop. No missile comes to correct. Anytime there is a missile is for destruction purposes only. Missile about be destroyed. And second, missile I started destroying the or cowbell. Number one, CCI Zonda 4 episode which I say cowbell for green to your and it was part of the missile. They talked about salary.
Yes.
Say oka omukaya koka say the amuye nyina ekra mo salary kra entimin grow because it may be the abia inside the bi obi wo ho ene obi adi nkomo Zonda chale I enjoy ka you obi di na de no di ko ka chale I yaketu anko you yaketu anko yi obi ashada ba be point say yaketu anko yi
punchline.
And it's not what I say is your salary is not growing. And no company would want to be seen as not paying their workers well. No company.
Sure.
A company be or bear proud amount for it about we don't pay our workers well. No company will be proud about that. And then they are trouble thing. Now, as a cowboy from dressing crampunye. Dr. Ewan. I said, "Ne suit to be ira." You can't trust our video to show me. Who respects a Dr. UN suit?
Who the boy become pet?
Who respects a Dr. UN suit? Anytime they can Dr. UN suit be only those oversized suit, because nobody knows Dr. UN to be wearing branded and designer suit. Debbie. What's Dr. UNC Charlie? Yawani and Koyi. That is how they are describing the guys at Cowbell. Now, they talked about a loss to the brown soldiers. It means so there because no one is a Cowbell for no boka. There cause no a proud, there cause a say of into your seal now their book, their way, their mulu because what they are sitting on as car sellers or car marketers. Omnim be talk about car and Sikajiti. And no one say, oh, cowbell, and sent to say, yeah, baby, after I talk cowbell. Cowbell form of response. When I get there, I'll talk about that.
Okay.
And don't say, yes, I sell business. That's why they say it's a loss to them. They are almost sell business. Some will be a fancy can go to no. And it's a loss to them. And then a cowbell for the year or more chorus no. Say, you invest cowbell, you bedroom, huh? Now, another thing. When the second missile starts, it started with punches.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, the sound of punches. And yet they come on a funny face.
Funny face.
They were romancing each other. And yet no can be. Yeah, cause our punch never bow pum out from knockouts. And other videos are free the same ring na funny face could the Omoko romance of there are other videos that book punch a month for any pie, a month for tough for mama or chair. Yeah, they are telling you that mama romance. This is a funny face. We are coming to punch you to die. So you should know. Now they are also making it personal because lines now Zonda for any dia. Omoka say my bodyguards back na or one video no. Akwa wa found do. As a mama na duani ni. Mama ono ka say mama no mo cowbell ni bi. Na ontimi nye nipa. Once again, they are linking this to the fact that Munko for my salary is not growing. Indirectly, they are also saying that if indeed Mokabel I am a man for say it's me per year and Kakwan trap more office or phone. Hey, Charlie. It's like people are not even getting the line.
They are not getting the line.
Yes. Because guys feel say Mokabel na man for no me nipa and Kakwan not tip office or baby no or no on phone and nipa. Or he looks like something. Mumma na cowbell they be no nipa. This is too personal. This is now being destructive. Finally, I say, Nigerian PDD. Nigerian PDD. Do you know what they are saying? Zonda is saying, Momo to na muye didi. And Okan Nigerian PDD na Nigerian and Omudi mu ebeshe. No, Nigerian PDD. Nigerian. Yes, rather Nigerian PDD. And the so indirectly they are more yelling now a Didinkwa. Where I live, there are some ranches around in California. Me took out me pia me who ranches, cow ranches name as for and then show me who pen and my kind to come. That me who said it. Who said the cows here they are very calm. Unlike Ghana, cows now. Yeah, boom, no almost so my mom for that be. We would your moment did I patch Oka say fa one line no me this so yeah there na. Oka so from bit makofa jo dia ba bomb ta daddy. Say me chop point is about go ye me see me put that. Daddy. They be mo ti wa mo e feed na no mo feed omo we grasses I can see the ko mo we keke. But here, you can't do the cheap, they like cowbell for the day corner. And John said you're really now. All these things are personal attacks on the brands of these people. Now, let's switch our attention to what cowbell for also a buy.
Okay.
Almost 30 years, almost percent amount from the Zonda for Gromutiabon. Almost 30, and that's what they wanted to preach. Zonda for Gromutiabon said. Monfa cow mara makofa boo. Because almost all me a cowbell. Now you want to talk about them, you want to insult them. The okofa by no when it's a cow or a boo. Because cowbell there like the Nanchi bar no.
Nature bar, yes.
Nanchi bar na chini milk and they are of course the Nanchi bar and milk are very nutritious, highly nutritious. Anything else was some people even drink it fresh. High in proteins and more. Mokofa ba makofa boo. Boo. Nantwie be mana na baba tintin na ono na mpene eri no and na mokofa bai. On my first point mine. That's more zonda front kramutiabon. Yeah, ma mo test. Say monka about cow. Makofa boo. That is how they started attacking Zonda. Now they went ahead to say, you guys have a showroom, but you don't even have any show.
Any show,
of course,
yes.
cowbell for any showroom. Zonda for no more showroom or more cars, type of cars and trucks. There's a mumu showroom, nothing they go on for there. Meanwhile, they are displaying cars. They are displaying cars, different type of cars, but almost person just Dabi. Bumunishi. More showroom, but you don't even have a show. And that is also an insult to the brand of Zonda. Some more show when they cast the show, but to them, they are not seeing anything. And like couple cars said, you use a moon headlight. That one is also an affront on the brands of Zonda. Say has more cars from any headlights indirectly they won't tell more cars light from Papa. And yeah, brem headlights. We would now indirect attacks on the brands of each other. Now they go ahead to say Nat Geo production. I'm saying maybe Nat Geo production, National Geography. I hope you know that National Geography. It is the documentary on animals. Documentary on animals. Say yeah, face your mobile back can be a mark of fan and she and a mudio mudinemu. And only Nat Geo production, National Geography production. Am I? Yeah, can't some have a mark of a more and a mudio moye production. Mark of more, that's the National Geography because the National Geography it's a program on DSTV. They talk about animal documentaries here and there. Aha, I don't know mark of Nat Geo production is a because more eba reading. Now there's another line. Because the field animal test, of course, and that is what I mentioned earlier. Say munkofa boo munkofa cow now makofa animal test. Then the headlight and again cowbell sika and toka. So I feel be protecting them. Yeah. And that was the chorus. In fact, to be frank, the creativity aspect is also growing. And those are the positives. But at this time, the positives are not helping the brands. So chorus now, we use the cowbell video, cowbell sika and toka. Very catchy hook. A hit song, I swear. Your club now, boss is here, man for the best. Your cowbell sika toka. Your cowbell sika toka. A very nice hook, very marketable, very commercial. Me say a hit song, but at the end of the day, does it make the other person look good? No, it doesn't make the other brand look good. And it does that. Yeah, two omufu. Ebia, omante. Mo post mo cat na mo post ya montage say Sammy flex as an advice we be say or say mo editors mo share akofa but the etu mo say munya yo muntwa so ne ma ntwa so a ebe dane ak entokwa ne so a ebe kono ensem na ebe kan emoa mo twa sa video na mo ko tag yo mo so munya because mo nya ya o ma na mo be prom ho ye be show the asri o Yeah, best near the astre. Yeah, the bedi agro, yeah, best cowbell for Zonda for the bedi agro, and that is what it is with in Tokwa. When two people are fighting, who are clear, who are entertainment mouth.
Entertainment mouth, yes.
Of course, when two boxers are in the ring and they are fighting, to those who are watching, it's entertainment for them, but someone is bleeding. someone is bleeding. Yeah, bo be puncher also. Yeah, bo be puncher nania pie. A BNE say, hey, by you it is entertainment. So if they won't stop, we will sit back and watch for entertainment purpose. But they should know, say, they will feel it. Some people will be hurt. Some people will be affected. And that is what we are sharing with them. Say, yeah, two almost so munyai. Almost so munyai no because so aqua. Yeah, the big as entertainment. See, way the second missile ba. Where the another response about friends, the brown soldiers ask their response about. Will they continue? We will be watching. Will they stop? We will be watching. At the end of the day, they should remember that they are causing damages to their brands.
But what funny thing is that yeah, two for other companies are also joining. I think this afternoon, company almost plier ne what the almost Zuma, yes, Zuma GH. Almost say, yeah, can some yeah pursuit and obey all content. Mose Kabel ne Zonda.
Now, Zuma is over there.
Omoton pliers, screwdrivers, anything the cars won't eduma na there.
They want to tap in. So, and then I last me kind of say, when it happens like that, they want to tap in. Interestingly, Zuma for the so ever be can be not attention. They were not known. Pliers, no. There is no option. At the end of the day, they won't lose. Hey, pliers, if you are doing some jobs not being here, tools now, only option be I know na back of which mean for one you go and get the pliers and at the bay. And I'm quite interested. Also, when I woke up and I was looking at what was happening online, I also came across say Kumasi baby. Say Orange FMOs, they almost name Kophobia to Tomomo. A describe another as Temu BBC. A B describe yes. Yeah, I think it's online. You guys should look for it. Almost Temu BBC because radio stations so almost started. And many people will take inspiration from what is happening between Zonda and Cowbell. And we will be causing damage to brands. Is such a thing? I saw someone wrote somewhere say, now the ecosi Zonda ne Cowbell tokwe MTN ne Telecel for almost to the almost maybe and I'm just almost pesca daddy MTN would never allow their people to come and join this. Same way Telecel would never allow their people to come and join this because they know what it means. They know the negative effects it can have on their brands. They won't be involved. Mekai dentals company advert normally yellow, red, punchy. They knew exactly what it meant to them. They knew the harm that it could cause them. They won't come and be part of it. And say among for some of like I'm saying, it is like two boxers in a boxing ring. When some people are being punched, they are feeling dizzy, they are falling down. Some of them are getting cuts in their faces. There are others who are sitting down. There are others who are sitting down doing all those things. To them, it is entertainment. But so akwano ijlemuno. Nakuma ete okay akwayo ne landing boy Freezing McBone any worldwide. Okay, Freezing McBone any worldwide talk. So then a worldwide continent a new break now. Ogotra na comment na when the impact to the who were the man is gone. To those who were out there, it was entertainment for them. Yeah, near to watch yes, entertainment, but now worldwide na comment or to one is so good as well. Home to send a chair to be cabre. And yes, if they will continue to fight, we the bystanders, we watch and entertain ourselves. But to them, they should know that it is affecting their brands.
But we me and say fight because almost describing as healthy banter.
Hey, healthy banter, I catch you busy the tiabon. Healthy banter, I catch you busy or work a salary from Tamoma from Timoma Dianini. What is healthy about this? I don't see this healthy. For entertainment purposes, it can be seen as, yes, entertainment. But if the entertainment will affect you, advise yourself.
Okay. And brother Sammy, I think this is part 2 of a foot on the amount. Yes, so this time around, on Betia, on Wintia, and the Oma Omujiliji.
No. We are watching.
Yes, thank you very much, man. Like Sammy Flex and Chichen Como on this is beef koso between Zonda and the Cable. Ya Samba, ya mama afutu part 1, afutu part 2 ni. Ube 1 foul. Ebe kwa ma wa. Yeah, koso and anything ebe bia e ba be transe na ye de. O de ye bo be man and ye na ye de obo be ye. This is Sammy Flex Speaks right here on Sammy Flex TV. My name is Zondatec, and to the producers of the show, Fear Shaki, Director Kofi on it, we are out of here.
What's up? I have been in this market for a very, very long time, and I understand your day-to-day activities. So you know what? I introduced my new smartphone devices into the market, which is the Hotwave Cyber 16 Pro SM series. As you can see, it's fresh, box to is shiny. That's Hotwave. I come show you how the phone they look like. And I tell you, this will not be just any phone. You understand me? It come with a travel adapter. This be the manual. This be the pin way. You know, you could take open way or SIM card. And it gets in USB too. So they come with 2 cords. You understand me? And you know they're almighty. This is what I'm talking about. You love it. It's beautiful. And this be one of the phones where I tell people when you fall, your screen will crack. And this one you go keep for water inside for 3 days. If you doubt me, come. That's my new brand, you know, my new device. And I want you guys to just know that as I understand you and you understand me, I know how you will love this phone and support. That's my beautiful baby. Hotwave Cyber 16 Pro SM series. I know you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, I go use my one, I go find SIM card. Thank you. Love you. Yo, Ghana, what's up?